good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuned in for another video, and today I'm at Middle Georgia Motorsport Park. We at Truck War, one of my favorite events to attend. Not only to film, but I just like to attend. Like even if I wasn't filming, I come to this event and stuff and get it in. So I love this event, man. I love this event. Different stuff. You know, you seeing trucks, big body going down. You know, you go to the tracks, you see a bunch of Mustangs all the time, but it just breath of fresh air, and they be getting down too. So they running, missed the first two, but this staging lane, I got a lot. Track working, temperature good. My boy Trevor up there in the green truck. So yeah, waiting on these two to come out the bathroom so I can waiting on the fam to come out the bathroom so I can get out there to the track and get in. I'm finna go though. I can't be missing all the footage, man. I gotta come down here to get it in. So y'all just stay tuned.
Good luck, buddy.
Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. I'm up here in the staging lane, been recording a few things. Got a big grudge going on. About to happen right now. You got Andy Mack right there, then you got Chris from, I think from Michigan, if I remember right. They've been trying to get this race off for a long time. These two right here. Got the Dirty Dime out, record this truck a lot. It's a bad truck. And it's a whole lot of stuff back there. So y'all definitely gonna have to check the Facebook page and main channel and all that. These people from everywhere. From up north and all that. You got CG right here. With the new ride. It's a bunch of bad stuff. It's a bunch of bad stuff out here today. Then we got the GoPros on these two right here, so we're gonna have that good little footage and all of that. They're getting the track prep down. And like I said, man, it's a good day. It's a good day for it and all that, cause whether it ain't too hot, it ain't too cold, the track like just right. So you know, everybody going down, ain't nobody blowing the tires off, all that good stuff. So it should be a good day of racing. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Catching a little footage. Been catching these classes. I'm gonna throw a little bit of racing in here, the solo pass and stuff, cause it's really about trucks today. So down here getting in, good day. Rain look like it about to come in though. So they trying to run through everything. Let me get it right. Y'all see them rain clouds? It coming. It's coming. Y'all check out who down here. Check him out. Down here getting it in at Middle Georgia today.
First time, my first time down here. Down hanging out with the legends, watching them work.
Hey, how you liking it?
Pretty good, man. It's a good track, good racers. I like it.
Oh yeah, man.
About 2.5 hours from the house, so I might come down here a little more often.
Oh yeah, you got to, man. I know this the truck guard, man. That's my nickname for him. This the truck guard. So y'all, hey, go check a YouTube out. It's on the screen, man. Cool Car KJ. Go hit that subscribe button, notifications, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, we're gonna keep getting it in, and y'all just stay tuned. Check it in, man. Look how good this track prep is. Listen at that. Listen at the track. Middle Georgia right now, I'm telling y'all. Middle Georgia is right. If you never been here, you need to come here, man. Check it out. Listen at it. All the way down now. I'm talking about that how it feels. Pull your shoe off. Then yank mine off. Then yank mine off right up in here earlier today. But yeah, man, we're trying to beat the rain. They about to finish all the classes. Everything down to the finals. I hope everybody get to run, man. I hope everybody get to run, so come on with it.